Hey, it's Annie with your latest tech update. Browser extensions can really help improve our productivity. They let you customize your browser to make it a more personalized experience. But there's a risk. How do you know the extensions you're using are safe? Malicious browser extensions are such a big problem that millions of people have installed them without even realizing it. New research from one cybersecurity company claims more than 4 million of its customers have been attacked by adware in the last couple of years. Adware doesn't harm your computer, but it can change your start page, search engine, and redirect you to affiliate pages. That way, the creators earn money from your purchases. A greater risk is malware, designed to steal your login credentials and sensitive data. This is a great time to make sure your team only downloads extensions from reputable places, and maybe even look at ways to control which extensions are installed on your business's browsers. We can help with that. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.